Okay, the scope of work for tile setting for this bathroom, which is a house North Vancouver. Be climbing up to the second floor. That's the ground floor, main floor entrance. So these tiles will all be demoed out, and this entire wall will be tiled to the ceiling. So there'll be just one outlet, 2 octagon boxes, and the standard plumbing to tile around. So this tub will be coming out. So, second wall tiled. This entire wall will not be tiled. It will come to a similar point. And I just have to find out from the client if we're going to be stopping around here or going down. So I'll include that in the video description. There will not be a tile baseboard, so no tiling there. That will be wood baseboard. And we'll just assume that we'll have one cubby